Can I use my business EIN for my solo 401k plan? Hey everyone, Adam Bergman here, tax attorney and founder of IRA Financial. In today's video, I want to talk about using a tax ID number for your solo 401k. Do you need one? Which EIN should you use? Your business EIN, a new EIN for your 401k? What's going on? So first things first, what's an EIN? What's a tax identification number? Well, essentially it's an identification number used for either bank account purposes to open a bank account, or in some cases for tax return purposes, right? If you file a tax return for an entity, you're going to need to include the tax ID number for the entity. In the case of a solo 401k, the rules are a little bit peculiar. Why? Because if you have more than $250,000 in a solo 401k, you have to file a 5500 EZ. But the form doesn't ask for the EIN for your solo 401k. In general, the only time you're going to need to use the EIN for a solo plan is to open a bank account. That's really the only time. Your business will need an EIN. Now, if you're a sole proprietor, you technically can use the social security of the owner. But if you file the 5500 EZ, you're going to need to acquire an EIN for the business. If you have an LLC or corporation, you're going to need a EIN. So there's an EIN for the business, but if you're a client of IRA Financial, we're also going to get you an EIN for your 401k, so you can open a bank account or a brokerage account for your 401k. But if you're a client of IRA Financial, even easier. We'll open the bank account for you at Capital One. Don't even have to leave your home. There's no fees for the accounts, no minimums. Makes your life much easier. We will still get you an EIN for your plan, don't worry. But the business EIN is separate than the plan EIN. Remember, a 401k is a trust, so it should have its own tax identification number, really for bank account purposes. Your business EIN will be used for your business banking purposes or also tax filing purposes. So if you have more questions on using a solo 401k, setting one up, or just how the tax identification number purposes work in the process of using a solo K, let us know. We have really brilliant tax professionals who would love to assist you.